Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So today I will invite one of my friend. He is from South India. His name is Anand. So we have been hosts in for Funding Pips in Trading TV. We host live together over there as well. So he is a very successful trader nowadays, and he is also an engineer who already become a successful trader. So he has withdrawn more than $150,000 from funded account only overall. Now he is managing over $3 million in funding, and I inspire a lot from him as well. So today I will invite him and talk more about his journey, his struggle, how he managed the funded account, how he managed to pass the funded account. So let's go in together. So let's enjoy. Comment down below your thoughts. Here it is. Welcome back, everyone, to my channel again. So today I'm here with one of my colleagues, one of my friend from India as well. So I would like to introduce him with to my trading journey, to my trading channel as well. So welcome, bro. Welcome to my channel.
Thank you.
And first of all, please introduce yourself.
Okay, I go by the name Anand Rajan FX. My full name is Ananta Padmanabhan Rajan. So I've been trading prop firms close to 2.5 years now. Being very consistent, had taken close to 150K plus payouts combined CFD and futures. I recently started trading futures, but I've been trading CFD for quite some time. Most of my payouts come from funding pips, and I've been trading with them like close to 2 years. I do trade other firms like Funder Pro recently, and I used to trade GFT, Gold Funded Trader. So these are the firms I mostly traded with. New firms, QT I tried, it didn't work out for me. The rules were like very different, difficult, not difficult, which was not adapting to my what my trading style was. So I didn't choose QT. I did try out Titan and everything. I do try out whichever works. I tend to stick with that and work towards that. So with my current strategy, I was a very aggressive trader who was looking for a bigger RR. Right now, I just like changed myself. My character changed. My trading style has completely changed. Looking and my discipline has gone very good. And recently, I've been like, I did a mentorship batch just for the fun of it, but I really like doing it. I've been doing it like now two batches are done, third batch I'm currently onboarding. And I was working full time and I was trading. But recently I realized I can't really do both. Like if I want to succeed at something, I have to concentrate on some like one particular thing. So though I quit my job after working 13 years in tech. I was working with most of the gaming companies available as a QA lead engineer. I was in charge of the release cycle planning and automation as well. So I think I have decided to be more into trading. I can see that as so I'm coming from South India. Not many traders are there from this region. That's what I when I got interviewed by Funding Pips, there are a lot of people who are inspired by me who wanted to trade, who wants to learn. So I decided why not start making content. I'm mostly currently making content and also building tech products which will help people. So I'm currently almost done with my couple of websites which will help traders. I don't want to give an idea right now. That will be very soon, which will help you to enhance your trading. Okay, I see
Okay.
a lot of traders struggling with sometimes lot sizes and struggling with this margin rule consistency and everything. So that's a one-stop solution which I'm going to bring in where people just load it, just like what they get to know what they need to do, like going through that. Planning to build something tech related for our trading community, especially prop firm trading community. I do trade live as well, but most of the time I trade prop firms. So that's pretty much
Okay.
about me, what I'm currently doing with my life as well.
Okay, so thank you so much, bro. And I met you, I think it was 2 months back
Yeah.
from this Trading TV launch.
Yes.
So I already watched your interview as well in Funding Pips. So I'm also very impressed, like you're just working as an engineer and you are trading as well. So it
Yeah.
was very similar with me. I'm also working as a merchant navy before, and then I quit my job I think it was in 2022
Okay.
March, I quit my job, and after that, I just do full focus on this trading side. So, my next question is like, why, and how do you choose trading?
The history
Mhm.
goes way back. Okay. Got to know about the market in 2013. Okay. I started with some random guy calling from Sri Lanka telling about a broker.
Mhm.
I think it
Mhm.
was I4X. I'm not really sure. All he said is just deposit $100. He will just, you can just buy and sell, make profit. Okay, that time $100 was huge for me, so I somehow accumulated. But I had this desire, always no, always make extra money. Okay.
Mhm.
So I had this desire, put the deposit, made $50 next day. I was like, wow, like it's that
Mhm.
50% like profit in college, too much money.
Mhm.
Third day, I lost everything. Okay, and couple of times I tried, it didn't work out, and I started working. So this is where it clicked in. Okay, once I started working, I had the money to capital, right? So I
Mhm.
deposited $200 on live capital. So there was this broker again, Winpro, not Winpro, sorry. It was SDF something. It was way back 2016.
Mhm.
From $200, I didn't know market structure. I didn't know I think I didn't even know where the charts are. Okay, MetaTrader
Mhm.
has charts, but I didn't know
Yes.
trading view can view charts. Okay,
Yes.
I
Yes.
didn't
Yes.
know. I had zero
Mhm.
fundamental knowledge. Okay, what I did
Mhm.
was, at particular time I saw Euro USD gold going up. At particular time I saw them coming down. All
Mhm.
three pairs I take buy Euro USD, GBP USD, gold. All three pairs I take sell because all three were moving in the correlative space some time back. Okay, right now
Mhm.
from 200, I made up to 13 or $14,000 in 2 months. Okay. And I was getting a salary of 4 lakh, that is around two, 3,000, $4,000 yearly. That was my salary. So I made 3 years
Mhm.
salary in one and
Mhm.
a half months. So I
Mhm.
took $1,000, bought some phone, and again I was in a trade. It was running at $22,000 plus. And there was an economic event which I was not even aware of.
Mhm.
My entire capital blew it in a single day. Yeah. So that was devastating. I completely quit trading. I was not looking at charts. I was more concentrated towards my career. See, another reason is not the trading was not very popular. Okay. There
Mhm.
was no Instagram pages, there was no FB. So if I had an issue, I didn't have anyone to reach out to.
When was this time? It was in 2006,
2016.
16. Okay.
16. Okay,
Okay.
16 around that. So I left trading completely. I was concentrating on my work and my career was good. I was working with one of the top tech gaming companies. So here is the time, okay? So one of my friend, 2023 December, okay,
Mhm.
he reached out to me telling me, hey, you were trading sometime back, right? I was like, yeah. So there is something called prop firm, FTMO. That's what he.
Mhm.
So he's
Mhm.
like, yeah, we'll try. We try trading together, whereas FTMO is banned for us. So I was
Mhm.
like, take buy, take sell. We are like doing, we know nothing. He just
Mhm.
bought 100K accounts. He busted. He spent close to $4,000. Then he
Okay.
told it's not working out. We should stop. I said, no, I think there is a potential. Then I wanted to see something there is in India. So when I
Mhm.
Google Google funding pips was the first one to show up. So I
Mhm.
took an account. I played safe. $5,000 I started taking. I busted it 1 2 days. Then I passed it in a month. Okay, once the payout hits, I knew it worked. So then I
Mhm.
went head on with 100K. I've been trading 100K from that time. So the
Mhm.
reason for me for trading, which I really enjoyed, is the money, of course. Okay, but at the
Yes.
same time, it will teach you a lot of things. It gives you the freedom to go anywhere. It
Yes.
gives you the freedom, to chill. Right now, I just took an SL. I'm just chilling right now. But that
Mhm.
was not the solution. But mostly it was for extra money. That is the whole motive. But right now, the view towards for my trading is completely changed. When I started meeting people, I was completely still hidden. Okay, no one was knowing about me until the funding pip interview.
Mhm.
Even my family was not knowing about whatever. My close
Yes.
friends, probably one or two, no one else. But once the funding interview came out, there are a lot of people reaching out to me with some with their problem, some with their motivation, and thinking that like at least they have a hope that this thing work. Okay,
Mhm.
that's what clicked me. So I decided, okay, let me be little public. I
Mhm.
opened up my Instagram channel. I started helping people. So, but it was taking a lot of my time. Okay, I'm being very
Mhm.
honest. So, with a
Mhm.
full-time job, I was not able to handle this and that. I realized when I was in Dubai. Okay, the
Mhm.
potential people are making money, whereas I was just restricting myself a lot of times.
Mhm.
Okay, whereas people were like doing a lot of money, they had this freedom. To be honest, I realized freedom is the most important thing at the time that trading gives you. Whereas
Yes.
people were roaming and they were enjoying, whereas I was looking at mails and checking if the work was like I have to finish the work. That time it
Mhm.
clicked. I just decided I was at a very high paying job. Okay. But
Mhm.
I decided to quit so that I can pursue this like with more concentration.
Mhm.
So post that, I mean the trajectory has changed. So I started with trading, but the main focus was money. But right now it has changed to the purpose and also helping people and also educating people. It has diverted to a lot of
Yeah.
branches right now.
Mhm.
So let's see how it works out. So the main reason was money, but right now I don't think it's not money anymore. It's mostly going to help the community and also me growing side by side. It should be like both should grow.
Okay.
So that's what I'm currently looking at.
Basically, you are starting from 2016, right?
To be honest, I would personally tell I started with 2023 because 2016 I was just no going. I didn't know fundamentals. I didn't know charts. I didn't know there was session time exist as simple as that. I didn't know order blocks. I didn't know
Okay.
concepts. Nothing I know. But I knew just price is moving. I can buy, sell, buy, sell. That's what I would do. So ideally, I would say I learned everything from 2023 December, where I personally sit down, figured out what is sessions, order block, no, where I became an actual trader. Maybe I was lucky back then, but now I'm more luckier with skills, I would say.
Okay, okay. So same with me. Basically, I'm also starting from 2019. So in
Okay.
that time, I was not serious like that. In that time, I was working as well. So I'm starting from Indian stock market. I was starting from Indian stock market. I lost lots of money over there, and then when I got the job, I just go to sit for 6 months, 9 months, and then I'll come back. And at ships, I don't get any Wi-Fi in that time. So I just carry some books and some chart pattern. We have some chart pattern with some books, right? With
Got
copy.
it. Yeah, I know.
I bring that on my ship and I just learning myself like this and that. But for me also, my real journey start from 2022 when I finally quit my job. So in that year, I just made some money. Like I hope it is like random money. Like I was making some money from crypto and all. So I just decided that this is my uh, career, so I just need to focus full time on this.
Crypto was so I have to tell a weird story. Okay, so crypto markets were very good to me. Okay, so I invested some 3 lakhs or whatever. I had Bitcoin SIPs also. So I've been doing. I was very crypto, what say, positive. So I had this money in Dogecoin, like 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs or whatever. Okay, guess what? It went up to it went up to 93 lakhs. Okay. But the problem was I was in my deathbed. I had COVID. Okay, it was pretty serious. I was in ICU and I was looking at it. Okay, 93 lakhs. And like I was in ICU. I was like my lung was like completely affected. I thought I'm dead. But I got saved. Doctors helped me and God also helped me. So I went through all this and I came out. It was around like 95 lakhs. So I actually wanted to buy a lot of things. Okay. But I didn't have anyone to tell me what to do. Okay. This was somewhere around 2021, 2022. Just before I started with Proforms. Okay. From 93 lakhs, I wanted to buy a car. All the shops, everything was closed. I wanted to buy a car or a bike, nothing was available. So I just holded it. Guess what? In a month, on some China's news, it crashed and it came down to 2 lakhs from 90 lakhs. Okay. So literally, I didn't make anything, but that was a roller coaster ride. So to be honest, that loss it hurted, but I think it has increased my tolerance level to at a point where even once you are like, okay, it's fine, it hurts, but it's okay. What can you do about it? You didn't make the right decision at the right time, right? So some people, I would have thought about a lot of scenarios. You should book and you could have just put it in Bitcoin right now. You would have been like sitting at a better asset right now. Yes, the probabilities are infinite. Did you make the action? That's what matters. Even in trading, that is very important. That's something probably that once year taught me that lesson to make decisions right now. So I think in such a way, right?
So it's a very important part for me. I hope I make some few $5,000-6,000 from there is also from some random meme coins like Dogecoin and all. So I make some money from crypto on that time, and then in 2022 there is a platform called My Forex Fund on that
Yeah,
time.
yeah. But I
It
haven't
was
traded actually. I've heard a lot about them, but I have not personally traded.
it was very popular on that time. So I was trying from my forex fund 5K, 10K account. In that time, there was like the rules are very strict on that time because we have to pass phase one and two within 30 days. And now it's 8% for phase one. And in that time, it was 12%, 10% and 6%, I guess. 10 and 6%, phase one and two. So I just tried, and finally, I think I was lucky. In two or three in my three trial, I passed one funded account, and I withdrew some money from there. And in that phase, I'm very struggling with my job as well because I didn't have any time to come home as well as I just get only 25 days as a holiday in a whole
Okay.
year. So I just got frustrated, and finally I decided to quit my job with some savings and all with that. So that's how I started as well to full-time focus in this career. So, and I want to know something. What is your biggest loss till now
Like on Profirm or on a personal capital level?
on personal capital?
To be honest, I've been profitable. Like
Mm-hmm.
if you take crypto, it was my profit only. I didn't like still
Yes, yes, yes.
yeah, so
Mm-hmm.
I didn't lose much, I would say,
Mm-hmm.
on trading. But again, I've known people who have lost a lot, but I have
Mm-hmm.
not been in the situation. Maybe if you are considering my, Dogecoin capital where it was running floating at 93, 94 and
Mm-hmm.
going down to 1 or 1.5, maybe
Mm-hmm.
if you are considering loss, probably 1 CR. But
Okay.
but that's my profit only. So like it didn't hurt me much. So
Okay.
but in Profirm, the main thing is that beautiful thing. Okay, you get the leverage and you get the
Mm-hmm.
capital to trade with smaller amounts. A lot of
Mm-hmm.
if some people are realizing that, it's a game changer. And it's actually a very good game changer for a lot of people. It gives hope. But yeah,
Mm-hmm.
rules are there. That's something. For an example, you guys are running something. If you're giving the money, you don't want to give it to a gambler, right? Or
Mm-hmm.
someone who ill treats the system. You want someone who's disciplined, who
Mm-hmm.
adhere by the rules, who follows good risk management, who has a
Mm-hmm.
good, set of rules. So who would you give your money? Correct?
Yeah.
There are two people. One guy just makes you like 100 million, no, 1 million one day and loses 2 million next day. Would you give money to him or someone who consistently makes like 10% every month? You choose the second option. That's
Yeah.
what the firms does. As simple as that.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, so till now, what is your biggest win in opposite part? Like from it may be from perform or something like.
Okay. In Profirm, probably I have taken in a month, I have taken close to uh $32,000 in a month,
Okay.
combined all firms.
Combined. Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
My biggest achievement, I would say, on trading is this. I am actually planning to make a reel. I'll share that as well.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
So I'll ask you a question, Hermione. For a 25K account, okay, how much
Mm-hmm.
profit you would have made on a 25K account?
On
Like
a
someone
20
who's a trader who is like little here and there on a 25K account, how much profit he would have made personally?
overall.
Overall. Like that account got
Over
downloaded in 3 months time period.
I'll guess $2,000-3,000.
Okay. I personally made, I think, 15 or $17,000
Oh.
consistently for 3 months. I followed perfect risk management. I followed perfect lot sizing.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a report card for me in my life. Okay, but after that I have not been consistent. I don't know why. A
Mm-hmm.
lot of factors would have been there. I was overworking and stuff. But these 3 months time window, that account is like beautiful account. Whenever I'm sad, I usually go and look at that account. It's so perfect. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
take a loss of 1% only. Take a TP of 1:4 or 1:3 only. Whenever
Okay.
I'm up, I take a break for the payout. Once the payout is done, I trade it again. So this way, from a 25K account, that account became literally free. Funding Pip gives you a cashback discount, not discount, basically your account money as cashback on your fourth payout. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
literally I invested like $100. I took in around 15,000 or 17,000. I need to check. But anything above 13,000 was the total payout I've taken from that particular account. So
Okay.
that is the power of Profirm accounts, which if you are disciplined and going by the rules, yes, you can like make very good money.
Yes, exactly, bro. And as of your view, as of your knowledge, how important is risk management, and how would you handle like risks
Okay, can I
whenever
tell
you?
you? Okay, if people right now, I feel the entire trading system, like what the market does, has moved or changed people mindset that strategy is very important. Everyone's
Mm-hmm.
strategy is like you have to learn my strategy. So I've seen people like whoever comes into mentorship, they come assume thinking that I'm going to teach my strategy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. But what in my mentorship, I'm very clear. My strategy, if you want to learn, don't pay me. It's free. I've talked about in Trading TV. I've talked
Mm-hmm.
about in my Telegram channel. There
Mm-hmm.
are YouTube videos like in streams and stuff. You can just learn it for free. Why pay me? What I teach you is the first thing is risk management, nothing else. The second thing is psychology, how to handle yourself when the situation comes.
Mm-hmm.
These are the two things which I concentrate on my mentorship. Okay. Once
Mm-hmm.
I feel they have mastered that, when I look at their entry models, when I feel they have mastered that, then I will look for a strategy. Okay,
Okay.
for example, so this when they're placing this only, they will take some entries. Okay, they will
Mm-hmm.
only learn their strategy. So who are in my mentorship right now? Only one person I had to talk about my strategy, but rest everyone have figured their own strategy and they're trading absolutely well. Okay, there are guys who has made like it's astronomical. Even I am like surprised. He made 30,000 USD in 1.5 months. The psychology, he had a very good, he had a very good risk tolerance level. That I really liked.
He is your student?
Yes, he is my student.
Okay.
So he started, he was like on my second batch. Okay. He also came, joined thinking that there is a secret formula for my strategy. Bro, I told him very clearly, just give me 1 month of time. You do what we are discussing. Okay. If you're not successful, then we look about strategy. He is way successful because he followed his own method. He developed his own strategy and he is doing not just him, like around 11, 12 students are doing absolutely well. And their payout certificate speaks.
Okay.
Okay, so why I'm telling you this because I still don't teach strategy. Okay, I mainly focus on risk management for each and individual person. Okay, plus I don't give signals, I don't give trade ideas. That before taking in, I tell them as like this is what I'm gonna do. If you're okay to join, come. But give me some time to work with you guys. So like
Exactly, that is the main part.
yes, and all the successful traders will say this. The main thing is risk management and psychology. Okay, the people who are not very successful, they think their strategy is the best and stuff. They try to sell whatever they want.
Yeah. So they are just searching for the holy grail strategy.
Yes, strategy is good. Like, see, one thing I'll tell you, okay, Harmony, even if I tell you my strategy, each and every point, for you to implement, you should have the time. We should be at the same mindset, same time zone, same whatever. Okay, we are not the same. So why not devise your own and you can fish for forever, right? That's what I mainly concentrate on my mentorship.
For me as well, in my initial times, like I just follow, there was in 2020 and 2021 in that time, I just follow some random guy from YouTube or from some Instagram. I just joined their like free channel and all, and they are giving some random setup. I just follow them, and then for 1 or 2 months, I just make money from there. And suddenly I just lost everything, bro. And then I realized this is not the right way.
Yes, exactly.
That is a very important step for you as well, and very nice step, brother. And for me as well, I have my own, I have my own community and I have my own channel as well, but I didn't share any this setup and all. But I just share the outlook, the higher time frame outlook. Like for this week, I have this kind of movement I'm expected right at. So that is the main part. So as of you, like for example, say someone just want to learn trading. So they were just looking for some mentors to look for to guide him or her. So how can they choose a right mentor? Is there any thoughts for you?
Okay, so first thing, let me tell you something. Okay, I know the language thing is not an issue, but I have noticed a pattern. So whoever students are coming to me are from South India. They prefer me because they feel more connected to me the way I speak, or for an example, there may very less students who will be okay with getting mentorship from North India. Correct? Because there are very great traders in North India as well who speak their own language and stuff. What I observed is they like getting mentored by people who speak their own language. First thing, okay. Second thing, there's how I am portrayed, how I am behaving. See, right now, like a lot of people are impressed, like because of the fund. To be honest, with funding people interview has given me a lot of push because like a lot of people think I speak facts. I've told the right thing. I didn't know sugarcoat of a lot of things. I've told what has happened, like nothing. So people like truth, what they have done. They have to look at what you have achieved. A lot of people they have the academy and all. Okay, I'm telling you, they charge a bomb. Okay, but they don't have a proven track record. Okay, they just keep making videos, content videos or whatever without a proven track record, and lot of things are mistakes. So for an example, I've seen a couple of videos. They talk about the funding pip news rule. Okay, they talk everything wrong. If someone sees the video and learn to trade, they are going to get for sure.
Yes.
So there is
I got you. I also seen that.
Yeah, there is no proper education, not education. When you're putting info for the views, do it better, put in the right info. Then I thought about, first of all, these guys are not trading. They're just making content so that they'll get views and stuff. So why not? As I'm a trader, I've been trading with it. So I'm the best person to to do it, right? So I thought of, okay, why not make content? So I started. I think my Instagram was around 200 people. Okay, I think it's sitting somewhere around 7K right now in 1.5 months. Whereas I'm pushing good content. I have recorded a lot of content. I'm also learning. So there is this learning curve for me also. Like I'm first of all very camera shy, but now I'm slowly changing. I'm ready to talk to people. If you had called me, messaged me sometime 3-4 months back, I would have said, Harmony, I'm really sorry, I won't be able to take a video call with you whatsoever. But right now, the first thing I said, let's do it because everything is an opportunity. Dubai has changed my view. Every second, every people you meet is an opportunity. Okay. Like it's one of the best decision I have taken to go to Dubai, meet people, experience different culture. And it has helped me to take major decisions also. But let's see if that decision is positive or negative. Time will tell.
Most of the people, they prefer their own language style,
Yeah,
like
first thing is yes, and the mentor who assures them,
proven himself.
yeah, proven himself. Second thing, and third thing is some credibility. Okay, so like some review. I don't have any reviews and say my credibility is basically funding web. Interviewing me was the biggest credibility, right? When I interviewed, I was like, okay, doing some normal thing. But when I look at the response, how much DMs I get, what people I was like thinking, okay, I have achieved something from my community where people uh have not done, right? Still a lot of people, like maybe out of 100 who were thinking 80 people were thinking it's scam, their view towards change like at least like 10%, 20% their view okay, this is not a scam, this thing will work, let me try it out. Okay. And whatever I've seen, people don't read the rules. Without reading the rules, they fail their account, then they started telling it's a scam. So that part I want to change. So I'll slowly start putting videos, educating on that, and let's see how that works out.
Nice, nice. It was a very nice view. And for me myself, the simple line will be, we have to choose what we already want. Like, let's say, for example, you are my mentor. You have to have what I want already. You have to achieve
Yes.
what I want already. In nowadays, there are lots of fake mentors and all. I see lots of people, bro.
See, okay, I'll tell you something, okay, which really pissed me off. Okay. There was this trading floor. I don't want to mention the name or anything.
Sure,
Okay.
sure, sure.
Back in Kerala, they were charging a bomb. Okay. They teach basics for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, just basics, then charge, then MetaTrader. They were charging for 3 months with stay, accommodation. They have this package and stuff. Okay. So for a person to learn trading, it takes 4 months, basics. Okay. Then start trading and everything. Okay. They had this plan. They provided account passing service. Okay.
Oh, fuck.
For 5K account, they were charging $250. I was like, what the fuck, bro? You can buy instant funding for $120. Okay. And people are buying, taking the services also without realizing when they come to payout, they'll get banned for sure.
Yes.
Correct. But see, again, when you're getting, when you're reaching the payout stage, when you're going through, there will be a risk assessment. Okay. They will check your each and every trade, whether you have placed it, have you copy traded from somewhere, you have placed it at the right time, did you use the same device, different device? There will be 100 checks. Then only they'll give you the payout. Okay. If they figure out that you have, and someone has logged into your account or used VPN, some firms allow VPN, you just have to tell upfront, they will upright ban you. Okay. So that's why I'm telling, don't do all this. Learn trading properly, trade wisely, use the rules. See, mentor is not required. Okay, but to be honest, if you're starting to trade, okay, I'm a type of person who values time, and I feel time is the most valuable thing in the world. Okay, once it's gone, right now we don't have a time machine, so it's the most valuable thing. So, for an example, if I have a mentor and I'm started trading, Harmony doesn't have a mentor and he started trading, I might progress faster. Okay, mentor is someone who will teach you each and every step that you take. Whatever failures they have faced, they will able to guide you. So if I'm reaching payout in like 1.5 months, Harmony will take 4 months. So this 3 months is the trading time which you are missing. Okay.
Yes.
That's something which I really want to mention. Sometimes I have really worried, like not worried. So right now I'm making money, but I'm not able to evolve more than that because there is no one to tell me what is right now. Right now, let's look at who is the hot shot right now. Zamco making futures like great. Now looking at him how he is trading futures. We are getting few ideas. He's not mentoring us directly, But whenever we see his content, we are learning something. His entry model, his type of account management, something we will learn. So that's is very important. But assume Zamco is calling me every day, teaching me like everything. You have to buy this accounts, you have to take this much lot, you have to look for entries like this. Like not giving the exact entry, at least an idea. So that will change the game and will push you like 100 times faster. You can learn on your own, it just takes more time. That's the only difference. But if you are the someone who is valuing more than time, money, then my friend, you are completely wrong.
Yes, exactly, bro.
Yeah.
So there are lots of questions like, do we need really mentor? Do we need someone to teach us like that? There are lots of DMs to me as well. So
Yeah.
I just reply to them, yes, you need a mentor, but you have to choose the right mentor. That is the main point. How do you journal your trade? Do you journal your trade? And if do so, then how do you do?
To be honest, I'm a very lazy person. I don't really journal my trade, but if I take an SL, I'll check what mistake I did. But I don't journal. I will learn from it. And there was this time I had lost like 300K, around 300. Okay, I'll tell you the allocation. 300K max allocation in funding pip. Goat, I was at 400K. Goat max allocation was 600, but I had 400K. Top step, I was max allocated 750K. So close down to 1.34 or 1.5, 1.4 million. Okay, in total allocation. Guess what? I lost everything with zero payouts. Zero payouts. Okay. My risk management was shit. I was not very proud. I'm telling you because I didn't have a mentor. I was trading on my own. Okay. I didn't have anyone to talk to, first of all. Okay. I was just trading all alone. Okay. It hit me hard. Okay. Losing 100K, sometimes it hit you hard, but that capital was life changing money. I was thinking it's life changing money for me. Okay. I got FOMO'd. I took long entries. I kept on adding lots. I just fucked it up. Completely broke down. Okay. I literally thought of quitting trading. I took a big break also. Okay. In between. But end of the day, I realized, but right now my tolerance level for 1.5 million is created. Even if I lose like half a million, I know I can regain it back. So that is a good thing.
Okay.
Like, it's painful, but yeah, you will learn.
Okay. So how do you handle losses? Like, is there any trick for you or any idea for
So
you
right now,
how to handle losses?
right now, you just saw my two entries, right? Do you want me to show on the stream?
Yes, you can. You can.
Okay.
Yes, you can.
So this is the trade which happened to me today morning. Can you guys see? It
Yes,
almost
yes.
went to TP and I hit the SL. Almost another trade. Same TP, almost hit SL. Okay. But this was old Anand. I would have gone on a rampage, took 2, 3 accounts, busted. But this, I'm just calm. This is something which will happen randomly. So right now I'm fine. Since you guys
Okay.
already saw the image, this is that Astros FX. I met him in Dubai.
Yeah.
So there's a selfie of that.
Mm-hmm.
So he's another legend. He's like another level. So handle losses, some people take it differently, but again, I think your loss should be associated with tolerance level. Okay. I can handle loss of like these accounts 100K, but can you handle that? That comes with you experiencing the market every single day. Your bankroll matters a lot. Okay. So right now I'm okay with losing 10, 100K a month. Are you okay with losing one at least? Some people then reduce down your account size. Trade out your account size where you feel comfortable. That's something which I advise for everyone. Whereas you have only 50,000 and you go ahead buy 100K for a month, it's not going to, your trades are not going to be perfect. Okay, it's just going to be a chaos. Every time you'll be scared, you'll making a lot of mistakes, you'll be FOMO entries, you'll making FOMO exits. So this is a very important. So in order to handle losses, you have to have a good, like it should be associated with your bankroll.
Yes.
Where you can handle the money as well.
Yes, it makes sense.
Yeah.
So we have to be comfortable with that account or that size of the
Exactly.
money. So for me, same thing like that. But when I got some losses, the frequently I'm doing is I just take break from the market. So that helps me a lot. So last time also in August and September, I just lost two funded account from funding pips as well. So I just take a break for 7 to 8 days. And after that, I just came to my like strategy again, and I started again. I buy two more funded account again. Right now, I'm in challenge phase. So the most thing I'm doing when I'm losing was just take a break. It was my advice to all of my followers. Like
break also,
and
yeah, same thing I also did when I lost 1.5 million or something funding. I took a break of like 3, 4 months, like solid. Like that was too much of time, but yeah, I could have done more, but I was more focused on my office work and stuff. But it's better you guys know, like, overcome an account, then move ahead rather than going to the top, like going for max allocation. Getting is fine as long as you're profitable, it's fine. But once it goes downhill, you won't be able to handle that. That is
Yes.
something which is. I have a question for you, Harmony. Do you trade only profits or live accounts, like personal capital, like broker?
Yes, I trade both, but I'm not trying future as well for now. But I just trade funded account in CFD, and
Okay.
sometimes I trade in my. I have two personal account, one for crypto
Okay.
and one for CFD.
Okay. Like in the same broker or different brokers?
It was different, totally different.
So are you looking at, uh, like having a community for live trading? What do you prefer, live trading or platform trading?
For long term, for future, I will prefer live trading. But
Okay.
as a beginner, as to build our capital, I will always go for funded account.
That is actually perfect. Okay. I really
Mm-hmm.
like the way you said it. A lot of people has hatred towards live trading. A lot of people has hatred towards platform trading. To be
Mm-hmm.
honest, as a trader, you should love both. Okay. Both are
Yes.
best things in the market to happen.
Mm-hmm.
Now, same thing, Harmony explained beautifully. I can give you a best example. Okay, there are two types of traders: one with money, one without money. Okay, with the
Mm-hmm.
money you have 200K, 500K, 1 million in your bank. Go for all, go for personal trading all the time. Who doesn't have
Yes.
capital and wants to do something and very serious about trading? Start with profits, make the money, start investing 20% of your payouts into your live trading, and
Yes.
do side by side. That's the best thing to do. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
yes, profit trading has rules. Yes, live trading won't have anything, but platform trading has a potential. Okay, let's assume you have $500. Okay, that's what you have. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
let's you put it in live capital and you take Profom. Profom, all you have to make is 13%. I know it's hard, but if you can take 13% on your live account, the same strategy you can use it for Profom. You just have to make 13% and you will get a capital of $10,000 to trade. Okay, there are rules, yes, but you guys have to adhere. That is per day, $10,000. You are getting 8 lakhs capital for $500 investment. Okay, whereas
Mm-hmm.
you make 12% on your live, you are getting how much? $60 you will get.
Mm-hmm.
Your account equity changes to 560. Now,
Yes.
where is 8 lakhs? Where is 560? In 8 lakhs, you make 2% or 1%. Forget 2%, 1%, that is $1,000. You are making 1 lakh. For you to make 1 lakh in your $500, you have to make 100%.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, whereas it's just 12 plus 1, 13% you make overall, you are looking at almost doubling your investment. So this is the
Mm-hmm.
ratio. I don't know whether a lot of people
Exactly.
think like this, but this is the math behind it. Okay, everyone should think of. If you have capital for 1 million, go for full-time trading. No
Mm-hmm.
issues. But if you don't have capital, this is the best way to have a capital.
Yes, exactly. That's my plan as well. So, in my initial time, I just started from life account, like 500. I deposit $500, sometimes
Okay.
$300. And then when I realized the opportunity of this funded account, I just all into this platform as well. I just lost like 30 plus account from overall funded account.
Okay. Same, I would also taken like 30%, 30, maybe 40 or more, 40, 50.
Mhm. So it
To be
was a
honest,
good experience.
the percentage I would have done across firms will be like crazy. I just calculated like roughly, I would be easily made around 900, 600% overall accumulated
Okay.
so far.
It was nice, bro. I'm really impressed, bro. I'm just learning from you as well. I'm
Really,
very
what is there to learn from you? I'm
yes,
like
yes, I'm learning from you. Like the way you manage your capital and the way you speak to your audience. Like it was very in a genuine way. I thought
yeah.
like that. So it was very grateful to have you as well, and it was very grateful to have your number as well.
So you know
And
what? Like I met a lot of people. See, there are a lot of
Mhm,
very nice traders out there. Astros, one crazy guy. I met Rohit,
mhm,
Ron, very nice people. Valens, in the Dubai trip. I can't even remember a name. I met the Shark Funded
mhm,
CEO.
mhm,
Very nice people. They are like trying to, they are making money, but also trying to do something for the community as well.
mhm,
Whereas, like to be honest, why mainly I decided is there are a lot of scams going on. To be honest,
mhm,
okay, in
mhm,
South India at least. Okay,
mhm,
so I want to, at least have for them a hope that this is possible. Okay.
mhm.
Second of all, you are ideally from a different place, right, Harmani? You're not from Delhi, right? Am I correct?
Yeah, I'm from Manipur,
Yeah.
Northeast.
So assume you are more. I know you're famous in Delhi, but just comparatively, whom do you think need your help more? People in Delhi or people from Manipur? More guidance.
Obviously from Manipur, from
Yes.
northeastern part.
Yes. Correct. Right. So even like where I come from, this part is still, people. First of all, people think it's a scam. Okay.
Mhm,
Second of all, people are scamming other people. Okay.
mhm.
Third of all, they are choosing the wrong profirms all the time because they don't have education. They look at a profirm. If some profirm is offering you 60-70% discount, okay,
They
most
will go for
likely,
it.
yeah, it's an issue. Okay, some like TFT, very bad experience for me.
Mm.
I was just trying 200K with them first time and they disappeared. Go for a trustable profirm. Personally, currently my top profirm is Funding Pips. Second, probably Funder Pro.
Mhm,
Third, probably GFT since I worked with them. They give payouts for sure. But right now, I'm not trading them because their rules don't match currently for my performance or my strategy or whatever. So I don't
mhm,
trade with them. Okay, they give payouts, but it's not like they have some rules and stuff. Just read it.
mhm.
There
So,
are other firms in the market.
do you check the Finote market, Finote funding?
I have seen it, but I have not traded. I don't have an account with them.
Okay, so when I started my journey, the first pair I got was from Finote
Oh,
funding.
got it.
So from Finote funding, I withdraw more than $21,000 till
Wow.
now.
Are they still in market? Like I would probably see. Also, I really like people. So right now you traded them and you're giving me Assurity to work. So I would be more
Mhm,
than happy to try it out. Same goes
mhm,
for Funder Pro. I never traded Funder Pro, but Ronin said
mhm,
it's a very good firm. Just try it out. Okay.
mhm,
Beautiful. Their daily payouts is like beautiful. One of the best, I would say. I had a very good experience trading daily payouts. I did this challenge. Okay. I thought I will fail. Okay.
mhm,
I had 100K. I was just concentrating 1%, 1%. Bro, if you are able to know trading and do good, 1% is good enough. I bought, where is this phone? So I did this challenge and I bought this phone only on the
Yeah,
payout.
I saw
Nothing
in
else.
Instagram.
Yeah, it was like I requested payout and I told my manager, like whoever is handling my account, I told
Mhm,
just give me this payout the fastest time possible. Okay.
mhm.
They did it in 48 seconds. Okay,
Oh, fuck.
48 seconds. I requested payout. I received money in 48 seconds. The fastest I have. No, they also do the background checks initially whenever the trade gets closed. So
Mhm,
it was a good experience. I think Funding Pips also is getting on-demand payout, but again, I think the payout time will take 1 day. But whereas here, you
mhm,
request payout, it gets done in less than 8 hours. That was
mhm,
very good. The firm dashboard experience was good. So I was not affiliated with them. Still, I made videos for them.
mhm,
So which gave like good, and the CEO appreciated it really. He took us for lunch when we went. Was me doing a honest work. Then he got appreciated. Like he took me for not just me, everyone went for lunch. I ate
mhm,
character for the first time. It's one of the expensive thing in the world.
mhm.
Uh, so I experienced that. It was good, and he also gifted me this pocket DJI 3 where I'm talking to right now. The clarity is so freaking good. I'm not able to
Okay,
show it
okay.
because I'm talking on that. Okay.
Mhm,
So people are appreciative. If you're doing good work, yes, there is always what say, there's always growth.
mhm. So,
And
can you repeat me the name of the that funded account?
Funder Pro.
Funder. Okay, Funder Pro.
Yeah.
Okay.
And yes, I have a code for them. You can use that.
Mhm. Yes,
20%.
yeah, you can mention it, and I will
Anand
put in
FX.
put in the description as well.
Anand FX is going to be the code for all firms. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, a lot of people think we are promoting the firms and see, have you talked about affiliates or whatever? Like, have you done that? Like, are you?
I have not done yet, but I have to be.
So to be honest, yes, it's a good thing. See, I'll tell you why. Okay. First of all, it's a good income stream for us. It's not much, but when a lot of people are come, it's a good income stream. Okay. Second of
Mhm.
all, whom will you have 10 shops. Okay. Who will you be interested to go every day? One single shop where you go every day and they assure you they give the money in return properly. They take good care of you. That's what we
Mhm.
should be doing. As a trader, if someone is using your code or something, you should be enlightened to help them out, like not by
Mhm.
giving them money or giving them trading signals, but if they
Mhm.
face issue, make them understand this is an issue. If they want a help, make them understand this is the help. So you will be there for them. So that's the
Mhm.
whole point of this entire community and affiliate pushing. So
Mhm.
right now I'm doing mentorship. Everyone will be inclined towards using my code, right?
Yes.
And for that, they're getting my quality advices, my backup support. For example, someone lost their account, they can talk to me.
Mm-hmm.
If someone is having an idea, bro, how can I scale this account? I'm trading 100K. How should I do the risk management? How should I go about lot sizing? I'll be able to help.
Mm-hmm.
So this is like a good thing, like, and also an income stream for us to support. For an example, streaming is not cheap. Like, to be honest, I'm being honest. You have to have a good setup, lights. If you just look at it, I just upgraded my. I still have
Yes.
done, but it will be done in few days. So this requires time and effort from you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's affiliate is good, so you can start doing it as well. It's a good income. I just started like 15 days back.
Okay, okay.
Even I was not affiliated with anyone, but right now I realized just that's what I said. This trip made me realize a lot of things.
Mm-hmm.
So I also thought, okay, I should start doing it. There's an income stream from here also, but you're not, you help the community in like for that as well, and you get discounts for example, fund right now. Anand FX for Funder Pro is exclusive for me because I've asked for my students that they want to buy, just give for my ID alone. So they have given that. So whenever you can request something like that, if you're doing good numbers for them, they will be also giving okay with giving some discounts for your community. Which is, and giveaway accounts also.
Okay. So I haven't tried yet the Funder Pro, but I would love to try it in this coming days.
And not just trying, I'll be able to help you out or advise you how to go about Funder Pro. So that's the whole point of you being using my ID, and probably you have not the authority. You can ask me any question like
Sure.
credibility is it's good. How can I access dashboard? Where can I find these things? How can I request payout? These all things I have done it. I'll be able to help you out.
So they have bought futures and CFD or only CFD?
They have both, but futures still their platform is not that great. But personally, they saved. I've only traded safety. It was pretty good experience. Okay. They have C Trader, Trade Locker, and MetaTrader. Again, very good. Yeah, experience was good. Payouts. So I had one account. I took 3 payouts consecutively for 4 days. Then I busted my account. My mistake, but they did pay out completely. Yeah, on time, just than 8 hours every single time.
Nice. So I have one question for you. So how do you develop your trading strategy? Like, how do you actually know that, okay, this was my strategy, I have to follow this? Like, so how do you develop this kind of knowledge for you?
Okay, so okay, I'll give you a best example. Okay, I think I've told this example. Okay, so Hermione as a person, you just go to your balcony, forget balcony, you just go to your terrace. You look at a busy road. Okay, the busy road goes to a tech park. Okay, you just concentrate on one line, on the top line, which is going to the tech park. Every day for the next 30 days, 8 hours, you just sit there. You do nothing. You just concentrate on the road. Okay. On 31st day, you will have an idea. Okay. This is a very good example. You will see an idea. This is a tech park which moves. Okay. You will see an idea, same set of people or same color of car or same number car moving at that particular time. Am I correct?
Sure. Yes.
30 day you watch, 31st day you should be saying, okay, 10 o'clock a Maruti Wagoner will go. 11 o'clock maybe a Pulsar guy will go. Okay, 12 o'clock 3 people will walk together. You will find a pattern. Same goes for market. If you just look at like gold every single day, okay. I know it's very volatile right now. It was not like this before. Even now, if you look at market every day, it tends to make some moves at some particular time every single day. Okay, maybe not single day, maybe 2 days once, maybe 3 days once, but market tends to repeat every time. So you just have to identify something. Okay, now coming back to your strategy, this is why I'm telling is you have to be like concentrated on a single pair. Okay, there are people. See why I'm telling you this, because some people trade on higher time frames, institutions or bigger people with bigger capital. They hold trades for a week. They don't have any issues. Whereas we trading profits, we have to exit our trade before night. Okay, because of the rules. If you hold, the day gets shifted, there will be spread, then slippage, then again day shifting of drawdown, everything you will get fucked. So we have to, sorry about that word, we have to use exit the trade per day. Okay, so we should eventually change to intraday or scalpers. Got it? So for this, you have to identify a trade where you take a trade and close it by evening. Okay. So when you look at the market, you find a niche. For example, my favorite entry would be before London Open, there is a dump most of the time. Sell. It won't be 100%, but it has a good win rate, 80%. That is good. So you devise a strategy. Basically, the step will be okay. It will leave a liquid. It will grab a liquidity, then leave an order block, then mitigate the order block, take a sell. 100 pips done. So this is something which I developed for one type of strategy. So The same strategy might not be for Hermione. Hermione will be waking up at 4 o'clock and he'll sit at the market and he might trade New York. Whereas I just sit at New York, do nothing. My trades are done in London. So
Mhm.
Hermione will have a specific pattern during double top, double bottom, or inverted U. That might be Hermione strategy. So you devise strategy, you keep practicing same entry model, okay, until you perfect it. Okay. And no entry model is 100%. Just believe, like, if someone is claiming their entry model is 100%, Pakka is upright scammer.
Mhm.
Okay, and you combine this entry model with RR. That's the
Mhm.
where it comes in. Figure out your entry model, figure out your risk to reward. Combine that. That will make you profitable.
Okay, so I have one twist here. So is the time matter when you are entering your position?
Yes.
Is there any time matter like in this
So
particular time?
I will look for, that's what the session between Tokyo and before London Open. I look for these entry criteria. The whole point of this entry criteria is assume people are buying. Okay,
Mhm.
in Tokyo session, they have to book profits before London opens because markets are very uncertain when market open and closes. When London
Mhm.
is open, the Tokyo people will start booking profits,
Mhm.
correct? And the sellers will start pushing down. So
Mhm.
that's where I found an edge, which I go about it. So it gives me like 60-70%. That is good win rate. When 1:2 RR, you're profitable,
Mhm.
right? 1 is to
Okay,
3 RR, you're crazy profitable.
yeah. For me as well, I just finished in London. Like I think in New York time, it was from 2 to 4 is my trading time. This 2 hour
Wow.
time frame, 2 hour phase. And for New York, most of the time I trade within 8:30 to 10:30.
Wow.
So that is my 2 hour time frame. So when I do scalping, I will just focus on this 2 hour time frame. And
Wow.
sometimes 60% of my trade I just fall in 2 hour, 1 hour time frame. But right now I just done with scalping like in gold and let's say in Nasdaq and gold. I'm not comfortable holding for overnight nowadays because it's very volatile. So I
That's
just finished with scalping it. So it was very good to talking to you. And my please give me the last advice for the people, for those who want to become a profitable trader, those who are beginner, basically. So what will be your best advice to them?
If you're trading with prop firms, first thing I would say is read the rules of the particular prop firm you want to start with. Okay, if you're a beginner for Forex completely, I would personally recommend reading about Forex, funding pips, understand what is technical and fundamental. That is very important. Okay, because without that, market doesn't move. You can't
Mhm.
analyze anything. So both are equally important. Uh, and if you can find a mentor, it would be amazing. But make sure the mentor is legit, he's there
Mhm.
for you, and no, there are some people who just take the money and disappear.
Mhm.
Okay? So you should find someone who's accountable, who's able to who has a proven track record, who helps the company.
Mhm.
That is also a very good, it will send you miles ahead with the right mentor.
Mhm. Okay. And what's your plan? How do you see yourself as a trader in coming few years?
To be honest, I've been having a very bad swing post the interview. I'm being very honest. Last 2 months, I've done only 6K in payouts from funding pips.
Mhm.
I've been very unlucky on my trades. Like I just showed you the trades, right? In my 30
Mhm.
trades, around 20 are like this, like almost TP and SL. Around
Mhm.
10, around 6 might be my mistake. That's a part of thing. No one can
Mhm.
be 100% accurate. But I
Mhm.
don't know. I'm just trying to figure out what is happening, or I'm making a wrong decision on my trades. So I'm just in a phase where I'm confused, but I will overcome that. Side by side,
Mhm.
I'm learning futures as well. I trade live accounts as well. So
Mhm.
yeah, I'm just cycling between, but I'm want to break out of the shell and get back to again 1 million plus in funding, which will give me a
Mhm.
good boost in my trading capital and also trades. So
Okay.
that's what I'm aiming for, and probably trade futures as well.
Okay. So the last question. This will be the last question for sure.
Yeah, take your time. Like I'm
So
more than happy to have this.
uh, it's personal for me. So first time we met on, I think it was on Trading TV.
Yeah, yeah.
So how do you see Hiramani as a trader? Like what are your thoughts? Like
Okay,
when you first.
so first of all, I really like your style, the clothes and the trip you have. Oh yeah, I think I've already showed you my shoes, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So I really like your style, and I know that you are trying to educate your community as well, which is very good. That's an impressive step. Probably seeing your videos, I started as well. Okay, I saw a lot of people
Okay.
DMing me, bro, help me out. There are really, really nice people who wants
Mm-hmm.
actual help. They are not
Mm-hmm.
looking for money. There are people who are looking for money, free accounts. They think that I owe them or something. No, I don't owe
Mm-hmm.
anyone. But if you really want to learn, my content is always there. Okay. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
my mentorship cost a fee because I'm putting that much effort. And
Mm-hmm.
if I teach you something, so I observe this also. If you teach something, they are not valued well. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Whereas you were charging, which is very very good thing. I think you had this conference. I forgot. It was in a different language.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah,
yeah.
yeah,
I
yeah.
just joined. I was there, but I was monitoring. Okay, I got idea from you. I got inspired from you learning all this.
Mm-hmm.
Correct. So yes, and when you asked me, that was I didn't even hesitate. I like let's do it. It will be good.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, and you are growing as well,
Yeah.
right? You are also growing. Your payouts are coming up. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
I think I forgot your total payouts, but is it around 50?
No, no, no. Till now, 36.
Around 50, like almost there. You'll
Mm-hmm.
reach there. You're growing very fast. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
I would have started earlier, so that's all. But you are also doing well, and Trade and TV is giving you a push. Your community is also giving you a push, and your
Mm-hmm.
content is also like that. Content was funny. That
I
red
see, the
uh,
red candle one.
red candle. So I actually wanted to put, but that's not me. You get
Mhm.
my point. That's not me. So I didn't want to do that as well. But you are funny. You can put, but that's not something which my community or I will look at what I represent. You get my
Mhm.
point. So
Mhm.
it was funny. I really appreciate it, and I get ideas. I watch other people, and take out the best and implement also.
Okay.
But yeah,
So,
since you asked about me, what is your take on me?
okay,
What do you think
sure,
about
sure,
me?
sure. So first of all, when I just came to know like we are going for TED TV on, I think it was 2 to 3 months back.
Yeah.
So I just saw Tufik and you and one more bro from your side. I forgot his name. One more
From
brother.
India.
Yeah, yeah, from your side. I think
Oh,
you.
Rishi.
Yes, yes, we see.
He, yeah. He's
Uh,
from Chennai.
no, okay, okay. So I just see then it only for me for this whole northeastern area, it was only me
Mm.
who was choosing from this funding pips.
Okay.
So I'm just looking for any other Indian traders like we are
Okay.
doing together and all. And then I just watch your all of us. I just watch Tufik, his page and his YouTube channel as well. And I talk to her. Sorry, I talk to him. And then I just connect with you. First time we are doing in Trading TV. I just
Mm.
connect to you. Like I'm just asking for some stuff in WhatsApp. Like, do you have any
Okay.
USDT as well? I'm asking for you on that time. So I feel like it was very genuine, and we are growing from like the journey of our this career is very different from others. Like when I saw you and when I saw some like Tufik and all, we are I just saw the clarity and the reality of how genuine we are. So it was the very aha moment for me. That's why
Got it.
I'm I'm very close to you, like asking this and that. That's why I'm very close to you. And this for this session as well, for this podcast, I'm just requesting you, like as my brother, like can we do some podcast again? You
Oh, I would.
currently put us resident.
I'll be happy to do. We can do live streams also. I'm totally okay. I
Mhm,
do live streams on Saturday and Sunday. So it's again. So this is a big problem. Okay, so since I'm from South India, they speak multiple languages. I can speak multiple
mhm,
languages.
mhm,
Everyone requests for a specific language. So I'm like,
mhm,
currently I just speak in English, but the community is growing. If I have
mhm,
like thousands people watching Tamil, 1,000 people watching Malayalam, 1,000 people, I'm
mhm,
happy to do it. So
mhm,
that is one, and also I want to create content in all three languages. Right now,
mhm.
I'm at a phase right now. I have an editor. Oh, editor is also a reason I doing mentorship. Okay. So
Okay.
this guy, after my interview, and he pinged, bro, can I talk with you? See, I always reply to my DMs, negative,
Mhm,
positive, whatever. I try to reply. That's something I don't ignore my DMs. So whoever pings me, I just try to reply. At least send a hi. At least it is a bye.
Mhm.
Some are genuine. Some are. You never know how you are going to change other people's life. Okay.
Mhm.
This guy kept on like pinging me, like, bro, we'll have a call. We spoke with the call. He's like, Bhaiya, like he speaks Hindi. So Bhaiya,
Mhm.
मैं इतना 1.5 years he's trading, and these are his trades. He showed his trades. His trades are so beautiful. I was like, oh, I should learn from this guy. Okay. I think I
Mhm.
should learn something from him. Okay. And he's
Mhm.
like, how much I have taken paid? I have not even passed a single account. Okay.
Mhm.
Then I was like, okay, then what are you doing? Just trading demo for the last 1.5 years.
Mhm.
Demo is the worst thing to do, like ever.
Mhm.
Okay. So then
Mhm.
he's like, okay, what do you want? Bro, I would like to join you. We can start content creation. I was like, no, I'm not creating content. No, I think you should create content. You like because like your videos will people will like take. I like no, but he convinced me. Okay. He's not working anywhere. I said he's like how are you buying your performance? And I do some freelance work here and there. I like, okay, I'll give you a salary, monthly salary, so that you can buy an account. So we've been
Mhm.
working 1.5 months. He is doing excellent. We have planned. If you guys you can look at my thing, I'm only talking. Rest of the thing he is personally doing. Okay, we have planned everything. He's doing the
Mhm.
editing. I don't know editing.
Mhm.
Okay. He helped me to arrange which angle to keep. This mess I have
Mhm.
to change, but still, in
Mhm.
and out. So this I got as a help when my interview went viral. So some opportunities will come.
Mhm.
Now I want to create Tamil and Malayalam where he is not able to do it. So I'm trying to figure out a way. We did an AI, but a
Mhm.
lot of people are liking it, a lot of people are not liking it. So I'm just trying alternative to create.
Okay, in future we can do bot as well, like for English language.
Yeah,
I have my own community as well because I'm speaking in Manipuri as well,
yeah.
for my state.
So how many viewers do you have when you stream Puri?
Like the like 500 to 1K.
Oh, wow, that is I get 30 people right now. I get 30 people.
So in life, you
Yeah,
are
yeah.
asking in life, I got just 60 to 70,
Ah,
80.
still
That's
better.
all.
It's good.
That's all. 60 to 70.
Ah.
So we
But
can
see,
do
I
better
don't
as
mind. I don't mind doing some collabs or here and there.
well.
Try to do some
Mhm.
giveaways, challenges. I'm totally open for it.
Mhm. Okay, so for today, we'll end here for this
Yeah.
podcast. And thank you so much, bro, for your time.
Thank you.
And I please forgive me, I'm disturbing your trading trading session for New York session. So very
Yeah.
sorry for that.
Do you have a stream today? I don't have a stream today.
Uh, I have yesterday only.
Okay, mine is on Thursday, I guess. Yeah. Today. Anyhow, it was nice talking to you, man. You can just
Mhm.
reach out to me at some point.
Okay,
Cool.
so thank you
Bye.
so much, bro.